Aditi Banerjee and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my hair care routine. So many people have been asking me all over Instagram, YouTube, everywhere to share my hair care routine. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to share my little DIY hair oil recipe with you guys. Also some tips and tricks. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get started. So our hair is the best accessory that we have. It's the best natural accessory. If your hair looks good, you just look automatically good. Your entire look depends upon your hair is what I feel. Even if I do, the best kind of makeup or whatever, if my hair isn't looking good, the entire look falls flat. So it's very important to take care of your hair. It's very important to have a good hair care regime, a good hair care routine. So that is why I'm here to help you. I'm here at your rescue. So I've always had like really good hair, good healthy hair. Since my childhood, I had very, very nice hair. But 2-3 years back, I had dengue, and due to all the antibiotics and the heavy dose medicines, I started to lose hair. I was having heavy hair fall, and like literally I would be bald by now if I didn't start my hair care regime. And just then, when I was losing a lot of hair, my mom came up with this very, very, very magical hair oil recipe, which is a DIY homemade recipe. And I thought, why not share that with you guys? I still till date use that recipe. I use that oil every time before I wash my hair. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how to make that oil. So for the oil, we need some coconut oil, some methi seeds, some hibiscus flowers and some curry leaves. One by one, we'll start off by adding all the ingredients in our pan or a bowl, whatever you're using to heat it. Keep stirring all the ingredients once in a while. Let it simmer, let it come to a boil. Make sure that your flame is kept at low, because otherwise all the ingredients might burn. And of course we don't want that. Look how the oil is slowly changing its color, it's turning darker. That's when you realize that your oil is done. Once the oil is ready, let it cool down for some time and then slowly strain it into a container, and you can store it for up to months. So you saw my hair oil recipe. It's really simple to make. It's like nothing rocket science. It's very easy, but it's very, very, very helpful and very useful. So yeah, I made it in a little less quantity because I made it for 1 or 2 time use. The amount that I made works for my hair twice. You can, if you have shorter hair, then it will go for you 3 to 4 times. So yeah, that's a very, very good oil. You can make it in a large quantity and store it for using in the future, or you can make it fresh every time before you use. This oil will nourish your hair, keep your scalp dandruff free. It also makes your hair super smooth and silky. So I apply this oil generally a night before I do my hair wash. I get my hair wash done, or you can even, if you don't have the time, you can even apply it and leave it for 1 hour. At least let it stay for an hour. Otherwise, it won't work that well. So you can apply it on your hair. Get a very good massage, call your mom, your aunt, your sister, anyone, your friend, and ask them to give you a nice massage, or do it yourself, and then let it stay for at least 1 hour. If you can keep it for more, it's even better. And then go wash your hair with your favorite shampoo, whatever you use. I'll recommend a few shampoos and conditioners that I like to use, so do give them a try, do check them out. So the first product that I want to recommend is the L'Oreal Professional Liss Expert Shampoo, and then is the same of the same series, the L'Oreal Professional Liss Expert Conditioner, which works really well. It leaves your hair all smooth and silky. It repairs damage. It works really, really well. That's the one shampoo that I use almost every time I wash my hair. So the next product that I want to recommend is the Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment Hydrating Shampoo and the same conditioner that comes with it. It's of the same series. It's the same Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment Hydrating Conditioner. Also, if you're not willing to make all this fuss and make your oil at home, if you don't want to follow this recipe, if you think it's tiring, or if you're just staying alone and you feel lazy and you don't want to do this, then I have two more oil recommendations that you could use. One is again the Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment Oil that works wonders. Also, there's the Mythic Oil, which again I'll insert a picture somewhere here, which again is wonderful for your hair. So do give these a try and do let me know what you think about it. So now that I have shared my product recommendations with you guys, also my DIY hair oil recipe, there are a few tips and tricks here and there that I do generally for my hair. I thought I'd share it with you guys. First is never go to bed with your hair open. It causes split ends. So whenever you go to sleep at night, please do tie your hair up in a braid, in a single braid or at least two braids. It also helps in the growth of your hair. The next thing that I do for my hair is I try to take a hair spa almost every 15 days. That really leaves your hair smooth and repairs all the damage, because as you see, even I have colored my hair, so my hair is already like almost damaged. So to repair that damage, to keep your hair still healthy and strong, you need to have a hair spa treatment done every 15 days. That's what I do, that's what I recommend. So that's the other thing that I do. Next is whenever you wash your hair, the winters are here, please do not use warm or hot water to wash your hair. Use lukewarm warm water. Do not use extremely hot water, that damages your hair and leaves it dry. Also, another thing that you could do for your hair is hair yoga. And this one is a really simple one. Just close your fingers like this, fold your fingers like this, bring both your hands together and just rub the nails against each other vigorously. That's it. It's just so simple, right? And there are no like special restrictions or anything as to when you should do this or anything. You can just do it anytime, right now, while watching this video. Do it. Come do it with me. So that was it for my hair care routine and my hair care tips. I am not an expert. I want to say that first. I'm not an expert. These are the products that has worked well for me. This is the recipe of oil that has worked very well for me. So that is why I'm sharing this with you guys. Do give it a try. Just see if it works for you or not. And then definitely do let me know in the comments down below what you thought about it. Did it work for you or not? So yeah, take good care of your hair. Keep following a good hair care regime. And do let me know in the comments down below what video would you like to see next on my channel. And I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please do like this video, comment down below what you thought about it, and please share it with your family and friends. That would mean a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe. So I'll meet you again next week with my new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.